Hey guys, Solange here. Welcome to week 3 of Hammer and Chisel. So, as you know, I spent some time with family traveling this past weekend, and we got back last night. Um, and I'm under the weather. Now, this started before the trip. I guess with the traveling on top of it, it made my body feel a little more run down than normal. So I listened to my body and decided that the best thing for me would be to take some time to rest. And that's totally okay. Don't feel bad if you need to sit out for a day or two. With these things, different body changes and so on, um, we have to know when it's best to sit out and when it's best to continue. Because sometimes sitting out a day is not as bad as what can happen if we worsen whatever is going on with our bodies. So, the biggest tip today is paying attention, learning your body, knowing what makes it tick, knowing what you need to do for yourself to remain healthy, because our overall goal is to remain healthy. And if we end up making ourselves worse by pushing our bodies a little bit too much too soon, we can definitely do more damage than good. You guys are doing very well. Continue what you're doing. I'm going to jump back in there tomorrow, and good news, I'm going to post my transformation pictures 2 weeks in, and I've lost about 3 inches, a pound, and my body fat percentage has dropped an additional 1%. So from 20, I'm down to 17% body fat, even with vacation time. So cheers to your health, wellness, and fitness journey. See you tomorrow for another update. Bye.